Have you ever wondered about the deeper significance of the tree of life mentioned in the Bible? Beyond its initial appearance in the Garden of Eden, this enigmatic symbol reappears in the final chapters of Revelation, carrying profound implications for the story of humanity. Join us as we unravel the secrets of the tree of life and discover what few truly know about its biblical journey. The tree of life first emerges in Genesis, standing majestically in the midst of the Garden of Eden. It's a symbol of eternal life, a divine gift to humanity that signifies the close relationship between God and His creation. Yet, this is not the last we see of this tree. Its journey through the Bible culminates in the book of Revelation, where it represents healing and unity for all nations, offering a powerful message of renewal and hope. In the opening chapters of Genesis, the tree of life is introduced as a central element of the Garden of Eden. Positioned alongside the tree of the knowledge of good and evil, it stands as a beacon of eternal life. Adam and Eve were granted access to this tree, signifying their direct communion with God and the abundance of His provision. However, this idyllic existence was disrupted by their disobedience. The act of eating from the forbidden tree of the knowledge of good and evil brought a curse upon humanity, leading to their expulsion from the garden and barring them from the tree of life. The Garden of Eden, as described in Genesis 2 verses 8 to 17, was a paradise filled with everything necessary for life. It was a place where man could live in perfect harmony with nature and with God. The tree of life was central to this harmony, offering eternal life and symbolizing the unbroken connection between humanity and the divine. Yet, the choice to eat from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil introduced sin and death into the world, severing this connection and initiating a period of separation and longing for redemption. In the shadowy mists of ancient times, the tree of life stood as a silent guardian of Eden, a testament to divine benevolence. This tree, laden with the promise of eternal life, represented not just physical sustenance but a deeper, spiritual nourishment that connected humanity directly with the divine. As Adam and Eve wandered the garden, the tree's very presence was a constant reminder of the life and blessings bestowed upon them by God. But the moment of disobedience changed everything, casting a shadow over this once bright symbol of life. Fast forward to the book of Revelation, and the tree of life re-emerges with a renewed purpose. In the restored paradise of the New Jerusalem, the tree of life stands prominently once again. This time, it offers a vision of healing and unity. Revelation 22 verse 2 describes the tree as bearing 12 types of fruit, each yielding its crop every month. The leaves of the tree are for the healing of the nations, symbolizing a reversal of the curse from Eden. Here, the tree of life becomes a powerful emblem of God's promise to renew and restore all creation. Revelation 22 verses 1 to 2 paints a vivid picture of the New Jerusalem, a city where the curse of sin is no more. The tree of life stands on either side of the river of the water of life, clear as crystal, flowing from the throne of God and of the Lamb. The tree's monthly yield of 12 kinds of fruit and its healing leaves symbolize not just physical healing but also spiritual renewal and the restoration of the broken relationship between God and humanity. This imagery signifies the culmination of God's redemptive plan, offering eternal life and unity with God for all who believe. Imagine a city where the light is eternal, where no shadows linger, and at the heart of this radiant city stands the tree of life. Its branches stretch towards the heavens, bearing fruit that embodies the richness of divine blessing. Each month, a new fruit emerges, symbolizing the continuous and never-ending provision from God. The leaves, shimmering with a healing essence, offer a promise of restoration, a reversal of the ancient curse. Here, in the New Jerusalem, the tree of life stands as a testament to the ultimate triumph of life over death, of hope over despair. trees hold significant symbolism throughout the Bible. They represent life, growth, and wisdom, often appearing as metaphors for God's provision and presence. From the cedars of Lebanon to the fig tree cursed by Jesus, trees convey deep spiritual truths. The tree of life, in particular, embodies these themes, emphasizing sustenance, provision, and the continuous presence of God. It serves as a reminder of the divine source of life and the eternal connection between the Creator and His creation. From the towering cedars of Lebanon, which Solomon used to build the temple, to the humble mustard seed that grows into a tree, offering shelter to birds, trees in the Bible are rich with meaning. The fig tree, cursed by Jesus for its barrenness, serves as a warning against spiritual unfruitfulness. Each tree, in its own way, points back to the ultimate tree, the tree of life. It is a symbol of God's enduring promise, His unending provision, and His desire for a deep, abiding relationship with His people. The significance of the tree of life extends to other biblical symbols, such as the lampstand in the tabernacle. The lampstand, or menorah, was designed to resemble a tree with branches and almond blossoms. It represented God's light and presence among the Israelites, illuminating their path and guiding them through the wilderness. This connection underscores the tree of life's role as a symbol of divine light and guidance, reflecting the eternal presence of God with His people. Exodus 25 verses 31 to 40 provides a detailed description of the menorah, emphasizing its design with branches, cups shaped like almond blossoms, and buds. This tree-like structure was placed in the holy place of the tabernacle, where it served as a perpetual light before the Lord. The menorah's design and function point back to the tree of life, symbolizing God's eternal light and the life-giving presence that sustains His people. Just as the tree of life in Eden provided eternal life, the menorah symbolized the enduring presence and guidance of God in the lives of the Israelites. The menorah, with its 7 branches and intricate design, stood as a beacon of light in the holy place. Its flames flickered continuously, casting a warm, golden glow that symbolized God's unceasing presence among His people. Each branch, adorned with almond blossoms, echoed the tree of life, reminding the Israelites of the divine light that guides and sustains. This sacred lampstand, meticulously crafted under divine instruction, bridged the earthly and the heavenly, offering a glimpse of the eternal light that awaits the faithful in the restored paradise. Throughout the Bible, the tree of life serves as a beacon of hope and a reminder of God's redemptive plan. In Ezekiel 47 verse 12, the prophet envisions a river flowing from the temple, with trees on both sides bearing fruit for food and leaves for healing. This vision echoes the imagery in Revelation and reinforces the theme of restoration and renewal. The presence of the tree of life at the beginning and the end of the biblical narrative highlights the continuity of God's plan and the assurance that His promises will be fulfilled. The prophet Ezekiel's vision of a life-giving river, flanked by trees whose leaves never wither and whose fruit never fails, serves as a poignant reminder of the tree of life's enduring symbolism. This river, flowing from the very heart of the temple, nourishes the trees, bringing forth a perpetual harvest and healing to the nations. It is a vision of hope and restoration, a promise that the curse of Eden will be lifted and life, in all its fullness, will be restored to those who seek God's presence. Through its presence in both the beginning and the end of the biblical narrative, the tree of life serves as a constant reminder of God's unchanging love and His plan for the ultimate reunion with His creation. For believers, it represents the assurance of eternal life and the hope of dwelling in God's presence forever. In John 10 verse 10, Jesus declares that He has come so that they may have life and have it to the full. This promise of abundant life is intimately connected with the imagery of the tree of life. Just as the tree offers eternal life, Jesus offers a life that transcends physical existence, bringing spiritual fullness and everlasting communion with God. The tree of life, therefore, is not merely a symbol but a tangible representation of the life-giving power of God's love and grace. As we reflect on its journey through the Scriptures, we are reminded of the eternal truths it embodies and the profound hope it offers to all who believe. The tree of life is a powerful reminder of the life-giving power of God's love and the eternal promise of unity with Him. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of faith, theology, and the mysteries of the divine.